Hi guys and welcome back po sa Tarot Page Philippines. Now, this video gawin natin ang weekly horoscope para po sa may mga Sun, Moon at Rising na Gemini for April 27 hanggang May 3. So kung bago kayo, subscribe, like, and share. Kung hindi mo alam yung Sun, Moon at Rising mo, sa dulo ng video may link tayo para mapanood mo. Readings are for guidance purposes, so use your free will wisely. For private readings and spell works po, message nyo lang ako. At para naman po sa face-to-face reading, Friday till Sunday, nasa Oh My Gulay po tayo sa Session Road. Ayan. And if you want to support na mag-grown channel natin, just click the thanks or the join button sa baba. So, yung cards mo, we have here Soulmate, Go the Distance, No Place Like Home, and the Yin. Ba yan? Imagine, Clean It Up, and By the Book. Tapos, yung deities mo is the Sun and Neptune. Okay, so this is a progressive reading, meaning from the date na binanggit natin, it will, mararanasan mo siya until in the next 2 months. Ayan, so progressive siya talaga. Okay, so ano bang mga ina-expect natin para sa iyo, my dear Gemini? So we have here number 41, Soulmate. Well, ito yung misconception ng mga tao about soulmate. Pag soulmate, naisip ko nila asawa, jowa. No. Pwede. Pero hindi yun yung pinaka-main essence. Kasi anybody or can be our soulmate, even yung mga alaga nating mga hayop, they can be a soulmate. Pwede tayong magkaroon ng multiple soulmates in our lifetime. People who really understand, people na kaya nilang idigdip yung ating heart, or alam yung tipong alam nila yung naramdaman natin. Those are our soulmates eh. They can connect with us. And the card is saying that more than a soulmate, may mga tao na ibibigay sa yung universe in the next 2 months na siguro lagay natin sa point na they will be more of an advisor. Sila yung mag-open ng mga path, ng roads para sa'yo so that you will be able to fulfill what you need to do. Yung ma-achieve mo yung kailangan mong ma-achieve. So, open mo yung sarili mo kasi although a lot of you, although andun yung house of communication ka nga, andun kasi, picky ka din naman sa kung ka nakikipag-communicate. So, it's time that you expand your horizon in terms of building with people. Now, next card mo is number 47, Go the Distance. Ito lang girl ito lang Gemini ha. It is also wise na to start where you are at right now. Huwag mo yung may isang movie ako napanood, I think, gusto ko yun eh. Sweet Home Alabama, ayan. Sabi doon, sabi nung lalaki doon sa babae, sometimes the things you are looking for are right where you were before. At Tagalog, minsan, yung mga bagay na hinahanap mo, nandun lang pala kung saan ka nanggaling. So, this is a card saying the same thing din sa'yo. Doon ka muna within the circle, within your connections, within your influence, andoon na doon ka mag-build or maghanap ng mga opportunities na hinahanap mo. And not only that, kumbaga, bigyan mo din ng chance yung sarili mo to find your soulmate through those individuals. Kasi, andito that the universe wants to show more eh. Marami siyang gusto ibigay and the universe will use, magamit siya ibang mga tao para ma-reach out ka. So this card is advising that you need to open up yourself towards other people para para alam mo magkaroon sila ng idea what influence, opportunity, blessing, or connection yung pwede nilang i-open sa'yo so that you can expand more. Which is, pa nag-expand ka na, which is, expand, tumaba. Ayun, we have your number 50, see, No Place Like Home. So, this card is also saying din naman na doon na magbibuild, doon na magsa-start yung reconstruction mo ng connection with other people. The cards are saying, sinasabi din ng card na, once na nag-start ka na, di ba, from yung mismong main circle mo, doon sa mga kilala mo, doon na mag-open sa universe ng a whole new level para ma-build, makita mo ulit na, ay, eto pala yung sinasabi ng universe. Eto pala yung more na karugtong nung nahanap ko, nung nandun sa sarili kong circle. Kasi, minsan kaya hindi mo mahanap yung opportunity mo outside is because part siya ng malaking puzzle na yung pinaka main piraso ng puzzle is nandoon sa lugar kung nasaan ka nang galing. That's why pinapabalik ka muna. Kumbaga, nagfo-focus ka on the circle where you are at right now. Yun yung pinapagawa sa before, pag nag-expand ka, nakita, connect with people, doon mo may laman na, okay, kaya pala kasi connected sila. But yung first part is nasa location kung nasan ka muna. Which is, in next card mo is the card of the yin. So, the yin, it is the female side of energy. Ito na yung papahayaan mo naman kasi kung tama naalala ko, since air element ka, air is considered as a male energy. So, kasi logic siya eh. So, sinasabi naman ni card of the yin, ito na yung moment na papaganahin mo na yung emotions mo. So, kasama dito yung instinct mo, yung intuition mo. So, continuous mo na siyang papakinggan. Andiyan na magkakaroon ka ng moment na, ay, parang kailangan kong magbigay ng moment para i-express yung sarili ko. Kasi a lot of you guys dito, nakikita ko din, binabattle up niyo yung emotions nyo. Andoon na gusto nyong mag-share ng nararamdaman nyo, gusto nyong may makinig lang, kaso may certain fear na baka hindi magets, hindi maintindihan, or andun yung punto na ma-judge, yan. So that's normal. Hindi ko sasabing mali na nararamdaman ko kasi, again, lahat ng emotions natin valid. Nagkakatalo lang tayo kung paano natin gagamitin yung emotions natin. Now, this card is also advising you din na you need to allow your emotions to lumabas din. Kasi ang nakikita ko sa card dito pa na some of you guys is nagkakaroon na kayo ng problem in terms of two things nakikita ko is either isa sa dalawa to or combination, yung sleepless nights or yung sleepless nights in connection with my headaches tsaka yung difficulty sa paghinga. So, that's your emotions kasi nagsasabi na kailangan niyang ma-release kasi nagre-react na yung katawan mo. So, it's time that you let it go in a healthy way naman, syempre. So, ano pa bang ina-expect natin? So, we have here imagine. Okay, Gemini. Paalala lang ha, because yung part na to is yung imagine it when we paano ba? Ayun, paalala lang that manifestation, materialization, yung law of attraction, nagsisimula siya although sa emotions, it is created dito sa mind natin. Kaya di ba merong advertisement yung vitamins dati? What your mind could conceive, your body could achieve. Totoo yon. Kung ano yung kaya mong isipin, kung ano yung kaya sa mo ifo-focus yung energy ng utak mo, yun yung i-call out mo papunta sa life mo. Dude, it's time that you change your way of thinking. Yung mga tipong expression natin na, or yung mga sagot natin, wala akong pera eh. Let's cut that na. Okay? Hindi yan healthy. Yung mga tipong, hindi ko kaya yan. Just cut that. Instead of sabihin mo, wala kang pera, siguro medyo change natin na, hindi pa yan kasama sa budget. Mga di ba? So, same answer, same message, pero different approach. So, sabi natin na hindi mo kaya. Aralin ko muna para maintindihan ko. So, same thing. Inabi mo, hindi mo alam. Pero, andun yung point that you are willing to learn. So, yun yung gusto ipaalala sa'yo ng card of Imagine na your words is rooted sa iniisip mo and this is where your creation is happening, which is kaya papasok ka sa next card mo, 21, clean it up. Kailangan natin linisin yung ating mindset. Now, the way of thinking natin. Of course, nahubog naman yung pag-iisip natin based on our experiences in the past, mga pinagdaanan natin. Pero that which is hindi natin mababago kasi history na natin yun eh, part na nakaraan natin. But may isa kang bagay na may isa pang influencing factor ng mind mo ang pwede mong linisin, and that is yung mga tao sa paligid mo. filter out mo lang. Sinasabi ng card, i-filter out mo yung mga sinasabi sa'yo. Hindi dahil close, matagal nung ka-close, at sinabi niyang ganito dapat, ganito ka, or what not, is kailangan mo tanggapin. No. Sinasabi sa'yo ng clean it up, meron kang choice kung tatanggapin mo yon or hindi. Kung sabihin niya, ay nako, hindi maganda dyan, blah, 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 blah. There are instances naman kasi na may point sila, pero marami ding instances na wala. So, i-filter out mo ha. And we have here is also 11 by the book. So, andoon na, while you're filtering out yung mga sinasabi sa'yo, pinapaalala sa'yo ng universe na you need to also make sure na sumusunod ka doon sa proper decorum. Sabihin na, di ba, yung sinasabi ko nga, as isang bag, ang rule ko lang kasi, as long as wala akong sinasaktan, wala akong nilalabag na tao, wala akong nilalabag na batas, at hindi ko sinasaktan sarili ko, okay lang. Kumbaga, basic rules ko na yon sa sarili ko. So, same thing din. Ano ba yung basic rules mo para sa sarili mo? You need to also establish that rules pattern. Hindi nakadepende tayo na baka ma-offend yung ibang tao or ano maiisipin nila. No, you need to set your own standards. Kaya nga, sabi sa'yo ni deities mo, we have your sun, number 1, center self and a wish to shine. And also si Neptune, 8, dreams, illusion, and a wish to flow. So, andoon na, literal, medyo kunin mo muna yung spotlight. Ikaw muna yung magiging sentro ng mga bagay-bagay. And andoon din na, it's also time that you re-establish ano ba talaga yung mga nasa isip mo. Ano ba talaga yung mga kailangan mo ng linisin, tanggalin, at palitan ng new energies. Siguro, pwede nang makatulong sa'yo vanishing and healing spell. So I hope nakatulong yung readings. Those are for guidance purposes, so use your free will wisely. And kung bago kayo, subscribe, like, and share. Kung kailangan mo ng private readings or spell works, you can message me. And every Friday till Sunday sa Oh My Gulay in Session Road, we are there for face-to-face reading. Kung gusto mong supportahan yung channel natin, click the join button or the thanks button sa baba. Gemini, maraming salamat sa iyo. God bless. Namaste, Hare Krishna, and blessed be. Hope to see you very soon. Mula po dito sa Baguio City. Have a great day. Bye for now.